Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you to edit a photo on the outside of FineArt Cave. Then FineArt Cave will not have this scene. However, in this picture I set up a sand dune and arranged flowers around. These are fresh flowers. Then this photo and I edited it into a photo like this, very clear. Now I will show you how to adjust step by step. Then first I will look at the histogram. I will see that my photo is a bit dark. Without histogram, I will add contrast to brighten the image. Here, I see that it is still lacking. I will increase it further. Okay, now that it's almost touching, it's okay. And secondly, I think this photo is a bit yellow. I will subtract white balance. Then I will base the white balance on the dress. On the skin, I feels relatively fine. Before, after. Well, after I finished adjusting the light, I found that this part of the skin was a bit overexposed. So to handle it, I will reduce the highlight a bit by subtracting the highlight. So here I see it a lot, it is dark, then I will reduce this part except highlight. Then I'll see the top, it's close to touching but without being burned. Okay, I will merge all these layers together. Before, the image is dark and light. The second point is that I find this water green. The essence is that the water here is blue. But because the water here is too shallow, so it cannot be green, look at it through the sand. So to make the water blue, I will use the water here, I will sweep the water here. Then I have a feature called brush color, I will choose brush color. I will choose the color here. Its default is 30-30, but I will increase it 100% and 50%, because here I want it to be multicolored. I will try scanning. Then I will see is the water it's blue. Then it will be much more beautiful than the original image. I just scan around. Then I will continue to sweep and I will not sweep into the sandy area, the flower area. If you want it to be greener, you can increase the flow, but Sam thinks that would be appropriate. Because it's going to be lighter at the bottom, because it's deep. And if you adjust it too bold, it will be fake. Here I find before, after very easy. So this color has clear water, but because it's too shallow, it turns yellow, so I reprocessed it. The second thing I need to deal with is when I increase the light, this place is too bright. So now I will choose the brush, I choose the dark one. This is the advanced part and I won't teach much about the skinning part anymore. Because it's so easy, I've done a lot. Now I will darken this part. Well, if once is not enough, I will choose another dark plus. I scan too. Then I will see before and after, I will combine these two layers. Before, it was discolored and now it is very beautiful, very good quality. I will delete the trash here, I will merge all the layers together and I will delete the trash. This is the boat, tourist. Shift to tell. And next this purple flower, it's a bit musical, it's not beautiful. Then I will go to color cast. I add purple. If it's too much, I'll reduce it. Okay, and here this flower is also uneven in color, with dark flowers and light flowers. Then if you want it to be all flowers of the same color, I will do as I did when I chose brush color. Finally, I choose the color here and I sweep in the light color. That's when I saw the light color, but now it's dark. If I want to increase it, I will increase it, but here Sam wants it natural. Sam just wants it a little darker, it will be more natural. And if I give it too much, it will be fake. Okay, now I'll squeeze. Then you can watch my previous videos to see how to make skin, how to squeeze people. And next, I will darken this background, to highlight this area. Here I will beat the night. So is the dress. So this is the center area, I want it to darken a bit to stand out. Then this part of the water, if you want to make it darker, you can choose. Here is color cast and I choose to add green. There are 2 plus green, I try each one first. Before, after, I think it's greener. It's lighter and greener, but it won't be much. Very good, then I will choose this color. And now I will do the final part of the picture, which is to block the image. Then I will go to contrast, I choose brush contrast. Plus contrast. Then the parts I want to stand out, I hit, and so do kicks. So are flowers. Then I will merge the layer and I will burn it down. These trees are quite floating, I will let it darken. This rock too, I darkened it a little more. I can play some light here. Always in the light with darkness and in the dark with light. Then I finished a photo very quickly. Here before, my photo is dark and yellowish. And after, I adjusted the water to clear blue very quickly. So a lot of people think that my photos are edited every few hours. Then I practiced together a lot and I found that this was not correct, I corrected it very quickly. See you in the next video, remember to click subscribe to see the latest videos.